Hello everyone, my name is Suprih Widodo. I and with my team would like to explain about our research and the title is Gender Difference in Cryptaritmetic Problem Solving with Fantastic Battlemate Game. And the research background is as follows. First one is mathematics is one of the mandatory content in the primary and secondary education curriculum in accordance with the National Education System Law number 20 of 2003, Chapter 10, Article 37, Paragraph 1. In the Article 4, Paragraph 4, in the same chapter, also states that education held must develop the creativity of students in the learning process. From these two paragraphs, the education unit must organize mathematics learning with a process that can develop the creativity of students. The above requirements are contrary to the current reality, as stated by Wahyu and Mahfudi in 2016, that there are still many lessons in class that focus on numeracy skills without building problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, mathematical reasoning abilities, and other abilities. In fact, abilities are very important, and CTM in 2000 explains that ability in mathematics can increase the opportunity to shape the future. In the modern era, knowledge, tools, and ways of doing things continue to grow and emerge. Furthermore, NCTM explains that mathematics is not only needed in everyday life or in the world of work, but mathematics is also needed to develop technology that facilitates human work. In this rapidly changing world, it takes a high level of intelligence and mathematical ability to solve problems. From this research, we try to develop student problems solving skills by using cryptarithmetic and alphametic problem solving. In solving a problem, we try to build a fantastic battle math learning model. This model has been developed by our team as one of the fun learning alternatives and is designed to reduce the notion that mathematics is difficult and scary subject. From the above background, the purpose of this research is to measure student understanding in learning cryptarithmetic and alphametric problem solving by using the fantastic Math learning model. So, what about cryptarithmetic and alphametric problem solving learning? One type of puzzle problem is a cryptarithmetic. According to Cooper, a cryptarithmetic is a mathematical puzzle where letters of the alphabet stands for numbers. Cryptarithmetics are puzzles consisting of letters that must be replaced by number but we have no meaning. The problem of solving cryptarithmetic are a challenging questions. According to Sadik, the question of solving cryptarithmetic problems requires students to try an experiment, a skill or strategy that is needed in the process of problem solving where he or she will work later in life. The cryptarithmetic question are an introduction for students to learn the basic of simple algebra. Through cryptarithmetic learning exercise, students can be trained in critical thinking and problem-solving skills. In addition, students can also be trained creative abilities because some cryptographic questions have several solutions. This is a sample of cryptarithmetic problem-solving skills, and this is the alphametric sample problem. And this research used qualitative and quantitative approach. The study used a qualitative approach through descriptive methods, For quantitative approach through effect size methods. The data collection technique used in the study are paper and pencil measure, observation, and interview. This research is conducted in elementary school in West Java, Indonesia, with 29 students in grade 4 as respondents. Students are from diverse social and economic backgrounds, 16 females and 13 males. And this is the sample that we given to the students. This is the problem of the pre and the post test. This is the result of this study. We have 29 students that given the pre-test score and post-test score. The class average is 64 and 48 in pre-test score and the post-test score is 82.59 and the standard deviation is 22.61 and the standard deviation of the post-test score is 12.72. This is the all average size from whole class is 0.8 and the t-test female is 0.0 and the t-test male is 0.0 and the t-test class is 0.0. The male average is 50.77 in the pre-test score and the male average in the post-test score is 76.92 and the male effect size is 1.53. This is the female average on the pre-test score 75.63 and the post-test score of the female average is 87.19. The effect size of the female is 0.56. From the result of the table, we have conclusion or we have determined that for the learning level, the t-test result of the pre-test and the post-test score for student as a whole is zero point 0.0, which indicated an increase in student knowledge and skill in solving cryptaritmetic and alphamethic problems with a large level of change, which is shown by the effect size value of 0.8. It's seen from the aspect of the gender, the improvement in learning is better for male student than the female students. This can be seen from the effect size value of the male student group is 1.53, while the effect size value of the female student is only 0.56. And we find that the average score of the male student is lower than the female students. However, effect size on male student is higher than the female result. From this result, is still in line with several previous studies which stated males perform better on mathematics problem solving than females among high ability students on standardized mathematics tests. Although the average score of the female in the study is better than male, the effect size in the male is higher than the female, which can be used as a predictor for development of problem-solving abilities of male students at higher education levels. And the conclusion of this research is that we find for show the average score of male students is lower than the female students. However, effect size on male students is higher than female. These findings are significant to be considered by the teachers when teaching math problem solving on Cryptaritmetic and Alphamethic. Teachers should anticipate how student thinks when solve a problem so that the teachers and student can achieve optimal learning outcomes. Thank you so much.